Hello students, let's discuss the question. Here in this question we have to find out the value of dy divided by the dx in the following, which is y is equals to sine inverse of 2x divided by the 1 plus x square. So we have to find out the value of dy divided by the dx. So in order to solve this, firstly we are going to simplify this. So for this, let's say we are considering like x is equals to tangent of theta. So x is equals to tangent of theta. So in the equation we are going to plug the value of x as tangent theta. So this from here become equals to y is equals to sine inverse of 2 tangent of theta divided by the 1 plus tangent square of theta. 1 plus tangent square of theta, and here this is making a formula. We know that sine of 2 theta is equals to 2 tangent theta divided by the 1 plus tangent square of theta. So 2 tangent theta divided by 1 plus tangent square of theta can be written as y is equals to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Now here sine inverse to sine cancel, so we get the value of y, that is equals to 2 theta. Y is equals to 2 theta, and we just calculated that x is equals to tangent of theta. So we are going to calculate the value of theta. So theta from here is equals to tangent inverse of x. So theta is equals to tangent inverse of x. So we can write this that y is equals to 2 tangent inverse of x. Now we are going to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this from here become equals to dy divided by the dx, that is equals to d divided by the dx of 2 tangent inverse of x. 2 tangent inverse of x. The 2 is a constant, so we can write this as dy divided by the dx is equals to 2 multiplied by the d divided by the dx of tangent inverse of x. And we know that the differentiation of tangent inverse of x is equals to 1 divided by the 1 plus x square. So this from here become equals to d divided by the dx is equals to 2, and the differentiation of d divided by the dx of tangent inverse x is 1 divided by the 1 plus x raised to the power 2, and we have to find out the value of dy divided by the dx, and this is its value. So we can say that dy divided by the dx is equals to 2 divided by the 1 plus x square. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of differentiability. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.